There are many Instant Pot products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Instant Pots from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Instant Pot Duo Plus. Rating 4.5. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, sterilizer, and food warmer. Matches with any kitchen decor and looks beautiful on your counter. The only multi-cooker with the quietest steam release, step-by-step cooking instructions on a large LCD display, and a clear cooking progress bar for real-time feedback. 25 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Food-grade stainless steel cooking pot with a tri-ply bottom offers more even cooking and an anti-spin design that secures the pot for perfect sautéing. Pressure-cooked delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like Grandma used to make. Number 4. Instant Pot Zest 8 Cup. Rating 4.5. Make cooking your favorite rice, oatmeal, and grains to fluffy perfection super fast and one-touch easy. Easily steamed veggies, fish, and more. Keep foods nice and warm during potlucks, parties, picnics, and more. For cup, uncooked, /8, cup, cooked. Its compact capacity is perfect for preparing small individual meals or meal prep side dishes. In addition to the non-stick ceramic-coated pot, the Zest Plus also comes with a dishwasher-safe steamer tray, rice measuring cup, and rice spoon. Includes over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and a safe locking lid. Includes the free Instant Brands Connect app, where you can find new recipes to create quick favorites and prepare delicious meals, available for iOS and Android. Number 3. Instant Pot Pro 10 inches. Rating 4.6. Pressure cook, slow cook, sous vide, sauté pan, sterilizer, yogurt maker, food warmer, cake baker, and steamer. Customizable cooking programs. The included 28 program settings are perfect for a selection of essential meals. 5 programmable settings for your special recipes. Pressure cook to save time and retain more flavor, or slow cook for traditional recipes. Overheat protection, safe locking lid, upgraded gentle steam release switch with diffusing cover to reduce noise and prevent splashing on the counter, and more. Cook for up to 8 people. Perfect for larger families, or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles and smaller families. Number 2. Instant Pot Pro Crisp 11 inches. Rating 4.7. Pressure cooker, slow cooker, steamer, sauté pan, food warmer, sous vide, air fryer, roaster, mini oven, broiler, and dehydrator. From the makers of the best-selling Duo series comes a pressure cooker and air fryer combo with 2 convenient removable lids. The only multi-cooker with a premium cookware-grade inner pot with Stay Cool silicone handles, meaning you can take it from your Instapot to your stovetop. The included air fryer lid delivers all the crunch and tenderness of deep frying with 95% less oil. Fast or slow, pressure cook to save time and retain more flavor, or slow cook for traditional recipes. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo 7 inches. Rating 4.7. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Pressure cooks delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like Grandma used to make. Fingerprint resistant, stainless steel sides, and dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Includes over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and a safe locking lid. Cook for up to 6 people, perfect for growing families, or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles. We use food-grade stainless steel, a tri-ply bottom for more even cooking, and perfect for sautéing. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.